As a landlord, maintaining your rental property's electrical system can be a daunting task, but ensuring your tenants' safety and satisfaction is vital. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your property is safe, up to code, and energy efficient. Let's dive into essential electrical maintenance tips for landlords so you can avoid costly repairs and keep your tenants happy. Inspection is crucial in keeping your rental property safe. This includes checking outlets, switching, and circuit breakers for any wear and tear. Even small issues, if left unchecked, can turn into major repairs. Make it a routine to have a certified electrician inspect your property's wiring every few years. Older properties often have outdated wiring that cannot handle modern electrical loads. If your rental has aluminium wiring or an outdated electrical panel, it's time for an upgrade. Replacing old wiring not only improves safety but also increases your property's value, making it more attractive to potential tenants. Tenants' complaints about flickering lights or trip breakers cannot be ignored. Responding promptly to these issues not only prevents accidents but also builds trust with your tenants. Ensure they know how to safely reset a breaker and remind them to avoid overloading outlets. Keeping up with electrical maintenance in your rental property does not just protect your investment, it protects your tenants. If this guide gives you valuable tips, share it with other landlords looking to maintain safe, efficient properties. Together, let's create safer living environment for everyone. Thank you.